एवरीवन। आज मैं लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशंस डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ, जिसमें से फर्स्ट लॉ है लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास। तो व्हाट इज लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन? तो whenever reactants react together to form the products or the elements combined together to form a compound, they do this according to certain laws, and these laws are called laws of chemical combination. So here I am going to discuss about the law of conservation of mass. What is law of conservation of mass? Law of conservation of mass says that mass can neither be created nor it can be destroyed during a chemical reaction. This means that in any chemical reaction, the total mass of the reactant is equal to the total mass of the products. That is, there is no change in the mass during the chemical reaction. इसको हम एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझ सकते हैं कि यहाँ मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है, सोडियम कार्बोनेट एंड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड रिएक्ट करते हैं और फाइनली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड सोडियम क्लोराइड फॉर्म करते हैं. तो इफ़ वी टेक 4 grams of sodium carbonate and 10 grams of hydrochloric acid, they form 2.5 grams of carbon dioxide and 11.5 grams of sodium chloride. So here we can see that total mass of the reactants, that is sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid, will be equal to 4 plus 10, that is 14 grams, and total mass of the products will be equal to 2.5 grams of carbon dioxide and 11.5 grams of sodium chloride, and it will be equal to 14 grams. So here we can say that according to law of conservation of mass, this reaction is absolutely correct. That's all about it. Okay, thank you.